There it goes. Now we're recording. Yeah, buddy. I want you to look at that out there. Man, if you had some of that out there in your backyard, I can see it now. You'd have stuff all over the yard. Can you see that snow falling? Look at that. That's just too good to be true. South Georgia, on the coast, where it's supposed to be warm and balmy all the time. But no, it's got this. This stuff come from Florida by way of something. Some kind of, they got a name for it. It blew up in here. Yeah, it's raining. No, it's not raining. It's snowing. Yep. See it if I hold it real still. You can see a bunch of stuff. That big stuff falling. You ought to be able to see that good. Watch it. Don't let one of them hit you in the face. That'd hurt. I'll throw a snowball at you in a little bit. All right. It's going away. Way bye-bye.